When you observe a plant very carefully, the beautiful part of the plant is the flower. The flower makes the surroundings very beautiful by its vibrant color, and it is the very important part of the plant because we get the fruits and the seeds from flower. So now let us learn in details about the different parts of the flower and about different types of flower. Flowers are the colorful and seed-bearing parts of the plant, and it grows at the end of the stem. It is the part that generally contains the stem. And the marigold, chrysanthemum, sunflower, it looks like that they are a single flower, but actually it is a group of flowers. It consists of different flowers. Now, what are the common parts of the flower? If we observe the flower, we observe these parts. What are the name of these different parts? The green part that we observe in the flower is known as sepal, and the color part is known as petals. The next part of the flower is known as stamen, and this stamen consists of anther and filament. And the innermost part, this part of the flower, is known as pistil, and pistil generally consists of three parts: stigma, style, and ovary. So these are the common parts of the flower. Now, when we observe a flower, we observe a difference in case of sepals. Few flowers have joined sepals. For example, in case of datura, hibiscus, marigold, we observe the flowers have joined sepals. On the other hand, few flowers have the separated sepals. The sepals are not joined like this flower. For example, rose, sunflower, etc. Now, if we observe the stamen, it generally consists of the anther. This part is known as anther, and this part of stamen is known as filament. And if we observe a pistil, we generally observe three parts. This part is known as stigma, this middle part is known as style, and the bulging lowermost part is known as ovary. Now, what is present inside the ovary? If we cut the ovary, we will observe generally some bead-like structures inside the ovary, and this bead-like structure is nothing but the ovule. Now, in general, the ovules that we observe inside the flower generally develop into seeds. Whatever seed we generally observe in case of fruit, that generally develop from the ovule part of the flower. And the ovary of the flower generally developed into fruit. All the fruit is nothing but the ovary. It get mature and develop into a fruit. Thank you.